Some rest. Let's see. Currently right now on the market, I'm a bit more biased towards bearish, but I'm kind of neutral right now. The market maker sell model forming on ES. Yeah, it could be if we get a move down. Yeah, it could be a market maker sell model. So this is the open on the session, and this could be a Judas swing. So I am kind of feeling bearish. We also do have SMT divergence with NQ. So market open, I would like to see buy side liquidity get run. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? Yeah, I definitely do think those equal highs will get ran through. I'm at work on Discord. I haven't really done anything yet. I just been like kind of trying to plan out and see what what I can do, how to execute it. My plan is to kind of make it like a team death. I mean, not team, like a death match where like only like the top tier people will get to stay and everyone else get kicked out. Let's say 50 people join. You're gonna do certain things and stuff. You don't necessarily have to be profitable, but like it's gonna be designed to like weed out the people who aren't like willing to put in the work, and then once we get those few people that are left, then I'm gonna create a separate chat just between us, and like I'll be holding this like every 2 or 3 months, so that way it's kind of like the Andrew Tate's war room. But that's something that's gonna take a bit of time to do. So I'm not gonna I wouldn't expect anything soon right now. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? Let's see. ICT tweet something. ES is a consolidation profile at present. I took a short with several premium raises. I used a liquidity void. Actually got my bearish breaker. Pyramid positions. Partial taken under sell side liquidity. Stopped on retracements as I risked the balance on it. Well, that's funny because I literally said I was bearish too before you tweeted that. So good to see that I'm aligned with what my mentor is thinking. I think maybe probably from open we might just go straight down. It would be nice if we go up here and take out this high right here. That can send us down here, but we'll just be, waiting to see what happens. He was talking about 740 and 5. What do you call, Grant, go on your Tradeovate, search up Tradeovate, and log in with your same credentials on there. And usually, right when you log in, it'll give you like this like agreement form that you should click yes to. And once you do that, then you should be able to trade a trading view. See 2 more minutes till open. Mhm. Okay, let me mark out my analysis. Purple line is the daily candle open. Uh, let's see. We also have S&P divergence over here. So in terms of liquidity, I would really like this liquidity get taken out to go short. Oh, guys, and yesterday, I did take a loss using the strategy. Let me show you guys real quick. Yeah, I took a 1 hour loss here. The chart. Actually, I'll just show you guys the chart itself. Yeah, so wake up right here. On ES, there was a 15-minute high right here, but it wasn't really showing on the ES symbol. But I was looking at the futures contract, and there was a tiny high here. And I've even said on my Twitter that I really hate this high to play this type of liquidity. This is not even liquidity in a sense, but I just played it because I guess why not? I did take an L on it, but I don't really care to be honest. I can take 2 more L's and I'll still be green. 732 high. Uh, I mean it can go up there, but you see the thing is if you look on the NQ, you'll see how this is making a lower low. So that means that when ES came up here to grab the liquidity over here, the order flow was bearish overall, meaning that this is a smart money reversal. So there's a very low chance that we break this high unless we take out like some sort of sell side liquidity on the bottom and move back up. But as of right now, we haven't really taken out the sell side liquidity over here and over here, so I'm still a bit bearish in the market. Okay, that's interesting to see. Uh, US US 30 is flying while NQ is dumping. So that's interesting. Uh, okay, let's see. Market open. Just gonna be watching this high right here. I'll mark out this liquidity right here too. Damn, why is the NQ dumping so hard? NQ is taking out liquidity. Yeah, okay, we are seeing an SMT divergence with NQ right now, so that could mean bullish. I guess maybe, yeah, US 30 is flying. Yeah, I think, yeah, we're getting SMT divergence over here with NQ. So yeah, I think we're having a reverse, maybe a smart money reversal over here now. You guys can see that on ES we made a higher high over here, and NQ we made a lower low right here. That means that the order flow is looking pretty bullish right now. So yeah, actually, yeah, we could have a nice short opportunity. I'd really like another 5-minute cancel form because this is way too big to play for an order block. Oh yeah, wake up. There is a daily fair value gap here. So I think I would love to see price come down here for today. We are getting an SMT divergence with NQ. Let me look at the dollar. We did take out buy side liquidity and sell side. So maybe if we are bullish on the dollar, that means we're bearish on the indices. Honestly, it would be super nice if we take out these highs right here and then we short all the way down here. It's gonna be a nice play. Yeah, and Q took out sell side over here. And ES, bring a divergence with ES. Honestly, I am kind of curious to see what the market does. Medium impact news at 10. New home sales. Curious why you don't trade the 830 kill zone. I'll show you in a second. Yeah, we have medium impact news. Honestly, I'm not really too worried about it. Oh yeah, the reason why I don't trade from 830 is because a lot of times when at 930, usually there's been times where we call it a low might get taken out before moving in the direction that I originally intended to. So, and like I'm not saying it's not bad to trade it, but just me personally, I just have a higher like win rate trading in after 930. Anytime we're in a condition where I know that I can maybe still have winning trades, but if I have a chance to lose more, then I'm just not gonna trade it. I'm just not gonna trade in that then. Because at the end of the day, my goal is not to catch every move. My goal is just to make money consistently. Can you see hash does not give us a talking before that? A bicep. Yeah, we could there. I mean, I guess there is a buy model right here, according to the strat, but it's not in the kill zone. So this you might win over here, but who knows? Maybe tomorrow you might see a setup exactly like this, and then might you might get stopped out of this. So do you think it's drawn to previously high? Honestly, man, I don't really know. This is one of those times where I'm just kind of like neutral on the market right now. I just want to see what happens, see what the market gives to me. Honestly, I don't know if it'd be counted as a valid or block. It'd be a nice 3.6 R, but I'm not gonna take it. Like we're just retesting this fair value gap and to break the highs. No, Raphael, you're chilling, my man. Oh yeah, it'd be nice if we take out these highs and then reverse all the way to the downside. Today is seek and destroy conditions. tweet by ICT. Just see what happens. I think there might be a chance we might have missed our setup, but I don't care to be honest. But yeah, honestly, this is kind of meeting the conditions of of my of the thing. So it did take out buy side right here. Got an order block right up here. So if we do come back up, this could be a valid trade. Honestly, I think this is a valid setup. This is meeting the requirements of the trade, so I will take it. I want to risk around $100. Oh, the Excel sheet. Shit, I think I accidentally exited it. This is the beginner strat right here. We took a W 3.6R on Monday. We took a loss yesterday. So now that's where we are right now. Guys, oh, wait, Karina, if you are a more experienced ICT trader, I wouldn't suggest you guys take this play, but I'm just doing this for my beginner ICT traders. Can you explain LBs? Yeah, guys, if you know what you're doing, don't take this trade. This trade is only for my beginner strat account because there'll be a lot of times you'll take losses on imperfect trades, but that's kind of the whole point of it. You be profitable from this strat from just pure like win rate. because I've already accepted the risk of this trade. So that means it's a $9 loss. That means my account. I'm already just thinking of it that my account's at a hundred thousand, $170 right now. So I'm just gonna pretend that my account's at that number right now. Triggered. I'm prepared to take the loss already. It looks like we're gonna stop out instantly already. I'm not gonna get excited at all from this down move. I'm in my mind. I'm just thinking that I've already taken the loss. If it does hit TP, then that's a plus. But I am not having any emotions right now. Being completely emotionless. Just so you guys know, I wouldn't take this trade on my main account, but it's only for the sake of the beginner strat. I'm also gonna move my stop loss a bit down here because if it breaks this high anyways, then the trade's most probably gonna stop us out anyways. But yeah, price action is a bit weird today. Oh yeah, there is news at 10, but it's not really it's not high impact, so it's not really I'm not really too worried about it. To be honest, I don't know. I think I traded news on Monday and I didn't get my account banned or anything, so guys, don't get happy all right now. We're going down. I'm not I'm not thinking anything of this trade right now. We could literally go all the way down here and come back up and get stopped out. I'm not thinking anything. Actually, I'm gonna okay. I'm gonna put my TP over here because this is the first 15-minute low, so I have to go according to strategy. But I'm only giving up 1 hour, and so when am I going to decide to go break even? Uh, Honestly, once it breaks this low, I'll probably go break even. Or actually, I might as well just go break even now because if this order block is valid, then price should just push down. So yeah, honestly, I'm saying my stops to break even, so I have nothing to lose on this trade anymore. So yeah, guys, this trade is completely risk free. I have nothing to lose on it. Whoever's in this trade, don't get too excited yet. I'm only gonna feel happy once we hit our TP. That's all. It's like price is reacting off this 1 minute order block right here. ICT tweet. Let me see. If you were learning how to ride a bike, would you probably be kind to the go bike rush hour traffic? Diaper, go play outside. Yeah. I mean, at least this trade slots are at break even, so we either make like 3R or we lose nothing. So Our section is super choppy. Profit percentage keep the fund accounts. You have to keep 100% for the first 12,500, and after that's 80%. You get to keep 80%. Guys, I'm gonna move my stop loss to right here. This is a 1 minute order block, so if price does break it, then otherwise just secure what how much. This is like 0.7 R. Oh shit. Let's see. See, good thing that we have our stop losses, dude. So I made $64 off that trade. Look at my refill link. Oh shit. Oh, that's good. Let me quickly fix that. Oh, right, oh, bro. Thanks for calling that out. Yeah, I'm confused. That wasn't really even that high. That wasn't even high impact. It's just like me and me. Hey, I'm not complaining though. We made money off that. Like, like making a $1 profit is better than a loss at the end of the day. Yeah, medium impact, medium high impact news, bro. That's so weird. Let's log it into our logbook. Trade number 3. The account is at 327.9. 27. And we made how much? 6. Okay, so that was a good trade. Okay, now let's see what the market. is doing. Yeah, I think we might just the looks of it. I feel like we might just keep rallying. And anyways, even though we're taking out these highs right here. Remember part of my rules was let me go back to my thingy. Right here I said if liquidity is purged to high impact news, then the sub will be invalid. So right here, this liquidity is purged with news, so we are not gonna be playing this. S&T highs, yes and S. Yeah, that's a good point. Where do you trade? I trade directly on TradingView. I use a funded account, which is linked in my description. Yeah, I just checked it. It's fine now. When you click it, and Luigi it shows you that it's just phantom fully. Uh, actually, if you look at my first video that I ever posted, somewhere in the middle, I posted about it in the middle of the video. Yeah, actually, I'll just show you. Yeah, what you call it? When you click this right here, this is where I use to trade directly on TradingView, and okay, yeah, and then the video I was talking about. If you go right here on the first video, think in the middle right here. Yeah, I start talking about it. So 4 hour for let me check. Yeah, I think it could possibly. But what do you call on a day like this, when your bias is neutral, then like okay, honestly, I should just call it a day here on for trading on that account. But I feel like there could be a good setup that we might miss. Yeah, honestly, I just think that the market's gonna rally, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just trying to look at these like templates I see as laid out. Um, honestly, I feel like today is just gonna be like this. See, we did have this up move right here, this, and we had a downward move that we did have right here, and index SMT on the lows. We did have an SMT with NQ here to here, NQ from here to here. So what you call, honestly, it just looks like we're just gonna keep, and it just looks like we're gonna be bullish, to be honest. If we come down here and this order block is validated, then this will also fall in within the lines of a valid trade setup. Even though if this potential order block is huge, I'll be using more advanced concepts to minimize the risk on it, so I can get like at least a 3R on it. As of right now, if I'm just talking from the strategy aside, my own personal trading, personally, I wouldn't be participating in this price action right now. Yeah, basically, Rico. Yeah, I do see the lower high in MQ. Oh, you know the other thing I love about this beginner strategy is that usually if you know more like advanced IST concepts, know how to use higher time frame bias, there might be times where you might have your bias wrong and you might miss trade, but with the beginner strat, you'll be catching like every move. every move like without a bias. So like there'll be days you may have not take want to take a trade, but you end up do taking it and it ends up being a winner. But there'll also be a lot of times where your bias is right and you might take a loss. But yeah, I only care about making money. That's the whole point of the beginner strat. Okay, can you please elaborate on the high probability, like time of day and day of week? Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay. So when I say high probability, it's something more that you kind of have to find out on your own. So you know, with my trading personally, I'll try trading from 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, and I've noticed that I'll have more losers within that time period. So then I just decided that okay, I'm only gonna trade after 9:30 open. And now something else I noticed that like Friday's price action, I usually tend to have most of my red days happen to be on Friday. So I just thought, okay, if I just don't trade on Friday, that means I'll be making much more money then. You know, even though like yeah, it sucks, I might not be able to trade as much, but I'll be making more money. Guys, I have such a good tip for you guys. I have such a good tip for you. This is actually what I do too. Instead of having one account, make two accounts. So your first account that you can trade on, that's gonna be your main account, and you'll only be trading your steps with high probability in conditions that you know you'll excel in. So you only keep trades for that account, okay? And then once you make like green for a day, you stop using that account, and then you use your other account that you can use to take more like risky trades and stuff. So that way, like your emotions can be more fulfilled, and you might not make those emotional mistakes on your main account. So that way, you won't be losing profit on your main account. That's exactly what I'm doing with this beginner strat. That's why I created a whole separate account. That's why I'm not using my main account. Guys, I think this is starting to become a valid setup if we do get a market does come down. We are getting a divergence on NAS. Straight does work out. This could be a nice, very handsome game trade. 4.5 R. I'm not in yet, guys. I'm gonna wait for this wick to get breaking through, and then this order block be validated. No, I'm not in. I'm not in. I'm not in. Wait, it will show you when I set my limit orders, so you guys will know when I'm in and when I'm not. Like you see right here, it shows my executions. I went short over here, and this is where my exit was. If this trade does end up being a loser, once I answer, then well, I'm only be down like $35 in a day, which is barely nothing. Seems like price is running away from this liquidity. I feel like we might be just too high. Let me look out. There's a 30-minute fair value gap here. Yeah, I think price might be running too high now. Yeah, and the divergence with NAS is gone. Yeah, I think this sub has ran a bit too far from the liquidity. So I won't be playing this as of right now. We do have this 15-minute fair value gap. Look how price did just tap that. Wait, is there more news? Alright, but this is just like low impact news, so. But you never know. Like this was medium impact and it was super impact, high impact, I guess. Alright, let's be honest. No one gives a fuck about crude oil inventories. You know, like for any of you guys who didn't see, this is our current trades so far. Honestly, it does make me curious how like so like perfectly aligned with this fair value gap. Oh yeah, let's look at this real quick. Okay, if we look right here, so we can notice that in the morning, right here for 9:30 open. We did go upwards right here. Then we went down right here, and this was an XMT on the lows. And then we went up, and it's supposed to go up to a 15-minute to 16-minute PD array. So on the 15-minute, if we actually look, we do have this fair value gap right here. This is just 30 minute actually. Notice how price perfectly comes up. $9.25 will be. Bro, honestly, should I play this order block or not? I'm so confused. What episodes are the temps available in? If you go to the month 10 core content, futures trading, the futures trading ones, it should be available in those. Wait, guys, let me know. Should I play the 5-minute OB or not? Buy on 38, 38. Hope wasn't valid. Yes, sell side liquidity open plus buy side. Okay, wait, on the 9:30 open, we didn't really like, according to my strategy, it has to be a 15-minute low at the minimum at least that gets taken out. And there was no 15-minute lower high that was taken out at the open. So just remember, guys, this strategy is for beginners only. Like, what do you call? I'm not using any advanced higher time frame concepts. Wait, guys, give me like 1 second. My mom's calling me. Wait, guys, I have to move my car real quick. I'll be back like in 1 minute. Wait, my audio's a bit fucked up, but wait, call. I'll be back in like 1 minute. I have to move my car real quick. I'm back, guys. Okay. Repeated 3:55 Tuesday will be. Honestly, I don't really care about the OB, to be honest. Wait, what do you call? I remember price has to like uh break the bottom of the wick aggressively or close below the wick for the order block to be valid. Actually, there is these highs right here. And if you look at NQ, and yeah, this is gonna end up being a divergence with NQ. So yeah, and according to this 15-minute to 60-minute price delivery EA area, PD array. So yeah, we could come up here, and then we might start. We can possibly reverse down to these lows over here. I'll see. I'm actually gonna try taking a short from up here to down here. Even there's a high chance we might get stopped out. If it does end up being a winner, it's gonna be very huge profit margin. Yeah, yeah, it has to grab this liquidity first. Right, and just remember, so you guys know how I say that only trade from 9:30 to 12, right? Uh, like when I say that, I mean that you can enter a trade between that time, but that doesn't necessarily mean that like let's say you enter a trade at like 11:45, you can still hold it past 12 o'clock until it hits your TP, but you can't enter after 12 o'clock. So we get, as long as we get an entry before 12 o'clock up here, then I would really love to see a nice move to the downside. We could capture a nice 5, 6, 7R to down here. It just hit equal highs at 38.53. Yeah, yeah, that is liquidity, but wake up the order block. We never got a valid order block though, so there was no setup to take. What's wrong with Tuesday? It will be just it. I mean that's not really part of the strategy though. It has to be a 5 minute order block, and it has to be an order block that you enter off. It has to be formed like intraday. No, it can't be some like yesterday's order block to play off of. Because there's a high chance that this order block will fail and price will come take out liquidity over here. Oh yeah, think of it like this. You know, supply and demand traders. They're gonna be thinking that okay, this is a demand zone right here, right? Or supply zone. I forgot. I think supply zone. Yeah, right here. So you know, these supply zone traders, they're gonna enter shorts over here, and they're gonna have their stops above here. So what does that mean? We have sell stops resting above, or buy stops resting above over here. So what the algorithms is gonna do is take out those buy stops and generate liquidity to either offload their positions or enter positions to offload at a later time in the day. In the meantime, uh, yeah, for you guys that didn't see, we hit a 0.6 R in the morning. You can see right here that we enter over here, the 5 minute order block, and then we got stopped out for a 0.6 R profit. My Ninja Cherry stopped in trigger, so I took a 0.6 loss. Seems like I gotta switch over then. No, I'm kidding. That sucks, I guess. I remember even on Monday, uh, we called the trade that hit like a 3.6 R on. It was like super close to hitting my stop, but or my stop at least, but not for the strat. But some people got stopped out and I didn't. So yeah, that's weird, I guess. Yeah, seems like we're coming to purchase liquidity right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this liquidity purge. I'm just gonna be a bit quiet for it now. What exactly is considered a purge? I mean, purge is just when a high or low gets taken out. So like meaning if it goes up through here, which is just it right now. If this order block is valid, it's not valid yet, but I'm just saying hypothetically if it is valid, this could guess in 9 point and 9 hour trade. It's be so juicy. Yeah, yeah, I saw it's K9000, but the strategy doesn't use higher time frame or templates or anything. Yeah, I was actually looking at that. We are having an SMT divergence with NQ. I feel like if this is a valid liquidity, this could be a nice play to the downside. I'm not in, guys. The order block isn't validated yet. Yeah, for real. It's just teasing. And you have such a nice divergence right now. And if you look at the dollar, yeah, I think I'd like if dollar also takes out this liquidity down here and starts reversing. It does look like a good setup. Well, I guess I'm not entering. I'm just marking out the trade. Okay, I think this order block might be valid now. Okay, I'm gonna create my limit entries. Just gonna put it a little bit down here for the spread. But yeah, this is gonna be a super, super good play. If it does work out. Almost a 9-hour trade. Yeah, price has aggressively broken through the wick, so now this order block is valid. And if I do take a loss, I'm only gonna be down like $35 to $40 on a day, so. Why can't I find that pair? Are you talking about this one specifically? What do you mean why valid? You guys remember, just accept the loss already before you even enter the trade. What's the count at right now? 3027, 100K, 327.91. I'm just gonna assume the count's at 100,227 right now. I'm just imagining that number right now, as if we've already taken a loss. Alright guys, we're in. I've already accepted that this trade is a loss. Boom, you got stopped out. So we're down $40 on the day. Let's log that in. 4. Just trying to do some calculations right now. Let's see. Yo, what do you call SK? I, I, this is not like yeah, I did get the 100K elite funding. You guys have to realize that I'm not doing this from a perspective of an experienced IT trader. I'm using like a strat that it's gonna have a lot of like stupid losses, but overall in the long run you're gonna be profitable because each winner's win rate is high. So I'm not doing like proper analysis or something. I'm just trying to show you guys with these live streams that you can be profitable without knowing ICT fully. Like we're currently right now we're at two winners and two losers. If I tell someone that I'm up $200 for the week, he's not gonna say that you have two losses. You're not that good at trading. You only 50% win rate. You're not that good at trading. He's gonna be like, damn, you made $200. That's nice. Yeah, yeah. What do you call? I'm doing all these trades on a separate account, apart from my main account. So like some of these trades, like honestly, I wouldn't even be trading today. I'm only trading just for the sake of the strategy. Day trade afternoon session, I do, but not that much. Usually, if I have a winner in the AM session, then I'll just call it a day. How long did it take for me to get funded? Okay, ever since I started with ICT, from when I first started from ICT to getting funded an account, it's probably between around 3 months. I do see that daily order block. Wait, I need to record this trade in real quick. Okay, guys, but other than that, I think that's it for the stream. Let me just quickly recap this week's. So far, 3 trading days. We had 4 trades. We had one 3.6 R winner, one loser. We had one winner today. It wasn't really that big though, 0.6 R profit. And we had one R loser. So currently right now on the account itself, we are up. Overall, we're up $222.63 so far. So yeah, we're still green on the week. But yeah, I don't really think there'll be any more trades for the strat at least. I think we're just gonna keep running higher. But other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I will be releasing an advanced version of this concept, and the broker that I use for this funded account is linked directly in the bio description below. And you all have a blessed day. And salam, my Muslim sisters, brothers.